Function hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a sticker. She picture perfect so I.
मेरा बाल क्यों उड़ा लग रहा है? मैं गंजा हो रहा हूँ क्या?
Some 15 years back, I used to learn music from a teacher called Sangeeni ma'am in Ahmedabad. Suddenly, she sent me. This is the photo from I think 15 or 17 years back, and by my side is her. The idea is to recreate this photo with what I am today.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up.
You want to see how close do we get to creating a very similar looking photo? But obviously Princey is much more thinner and fitter and stronger and wilder and happier. Let's give it a shot. You go find a dress quickly. I'll put the photo right now here. Alright. As you see in the photo, a bunch of things I want to incorporate. First of all, the dress that she's wearing, it's up to her. The lipstick and the hair is up to her. The mic that she's holding, we don't have a similar mic, but we have some mic. This is orange wire. We don't think we have an orange wire, but I'll find what wire. And then there's a keyboard guy. So I think I will probably do the role of the keyboard guy. We'll have to take a self-timer. And we have a keyboard. And we don't have a keyboard stand, but we have an iron stand. So we'll make use of that. Sleeveless.
Pennies, I need bigger bucks. About to catch a flight, I need to switch it up. Got that black boy joint, might do my dance on me.
Okay, a blue top. This is really difficult, and blue, I don't even remember. I have no memory of that blue top that I was wearing. It just looks so off, like glittery stuff. I think it wasn't mine. I think it was my Massi's.
If I would have had something that old, मेरे पास तो ऐसे भी होता ही नहीं. It's only Princey who keeps all her clothes. As you can see, all her clothes.
No, I mostly keep my dance wear stuff and fitness clothes. Fitness clothes काफी
But you were singing in that photo, not dancing.
हाँ, पर उस वक्त मेरे बहुत सारे passions और शौक थे ना. कॉलेज में थी तो dancing, singing,
So irrespective of what you did,
colour to बहुत कुछ सीखा मैंने.
चलो ये तेरा promotional video नहीं बन रहा past का. यहाँ पे suspense music. Ting 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 ting.
But same color नहीं है, अलग color है, चलेगा?
Photoshop कर लेंगे color. If the exact same color is not there, we can always change the color of the top. So yeah. And it doesn't have to be same color. It's okay.
उसमें मैंने black skirt पहना है, मेरे पास black skirt नहीं है.
Skirt नहीं है, black pajama में चलेगा.
हाँ, black pajama पहना.
In the meantime, I'll try to see what wire I have that can be used. I think I did have a colored wire. It was probably okay, fine, cool.
हमारा सर कट रहा है.
So that's the cable. The problem with this wire is that the end will not really go in the mic that I have. So I think let's try something else. I think this blue wire is better because it's thicker, as you can see, and the end for this wire fits in the mic. I'll show you. That's my mic, nowhere close to the singing mic that she's holding in that. But what matters is that the end of this mic will go in the XLR cable. भीगे होठ तेरे प्यासा. Actually इसका ये लटक रहा है. Let's just take off this short cable for the time being.
वो गाना भी मैं गाऊंगी.
फोटो में गाना नहीं आ रहा ना.
पर ये वीडियो चल रहा है ना.
वो कौन सा गाना गाया था?
मन साथ समंदर डोल गया जो तू आँखों से बोल. And it's a joke in my house.
Why? इतना खराब गाया था?
Best singer ever. लोगों ने कान बंद कर लिए.
So the Anning board is here, over which we'll place the keyboard. Let me figure out the best background, but if I remember that photo correct, it definitely had some curtain. Do we have any curtain like that anywhere? ऊपर है ना bedroom में अपने curtain तो. That's okay. We don't have to match exactly right. I mean, it's fine. So I think this background right here, we'll try to make use of that. There's a guy with a kurta, so I think I will have to put a kurta. I don't have a green kurta, so I'll just put the yellow kurta that I have.
वो जो सर है ना पीछे. used to get very irritated in me कि अरे और ऊंचा गाइए प्रिंसी, आपका जम नहीं रहा है, और ऊंचा गाइए और ऊंचा गाइए. मुझे समझ भी नहीं आ रहा था कि ऊंचा गाओ का मतलब होता क्या है.
सारे गामा पा नी सा
Please, इसे मैं गाती हूँ. सारे धा नी सा. That is more like it. Now you can ask your audience who do they like more, me or you.
Audience, who do you like? You know, not who do you like more. I mean, I don't want the answer to that. Who sings better? Look at my face. It's a singer's face. So trying to just get the basic framing, see how that looks. The complication has gone up a little bit because just realized that I don't have to create exact same image, I have to create a mirror image. Alright, let me wear a kurta. Let's also place the keyboard.
इतना heavy एक हाथ से अजीब हो.
चश्मा है हमारे पास. सारे गामा पा धा नी सा. Okay, let's get this left.
I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a sticker. She picture.
This is the first trial, and actually the guy in the photo is उसका चश्मा ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, but we'll see.
मूंछ है, तेरा मूंछ भी नहीं है अभी.
It's okay. Background में वो ऐसे भी.
मन साथ समंदर डोली.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, I know there is no pajama, but then I thought that in any case, I'll have to wear a pajama now. Fuck. Okay, let's wear a pajama. I think at this point of time, the tights are probably not going that well. We need to take a call right now. क्या करें हम? At this point, it's the pivoting point of the story. Shall we go with tights? Or shall we find something much more closer to the actual picture?
वो जो लूज बेगी पैंट है वो ट्राई करते हैं फिर रीबॉक का जो लूज बेगी पैंट.
Will that pant work? Will it not work? Wow, nobody knows.
These are actually what sports pants, like dance pants.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's see how that is. वो फोटो दिखा.
वो मेरे से नीचे है, इसमें तुम थोड़ा झुको.
तू किसी स्टेज पर है? मतलब
पता नहीं वो मेरे नीचे
एलिवेटेड चीज पर है.
हाँ ऐसे ही लग रहा है. इसका मुंह नीचे है और फिर ऐसे तिरछी नजर से ऊपर देख रहा है.
Okay, so basically Princey needs to have at a higher height.
कहाँ पे खड़े रहना है? इस पोजीशन पे.
All right, one last try.
चश्मा वहाँ देखना.
Hope we got it this time. All right, little bit final adjustments.
मन साथ समंदर डोल गया.
अब better है. Almost same. Same है ना? अब तो करेगा?
Yeah.
All right, done. Now it's time for Lightroom and Photoshop. And those wondering why I'm using this additional keyboard to the laptop, this fucking laptop just keeps on malfunctioning. So right now, the keyboard doesn't work.
मस्त तो है.
मेरे एक्सप्रेशन देख.
हाँ सही है.
We're almost there, guys. So yeah, I think we have done a good job.
Yeah.
I hope you guys had fun watching us recreate. Before we end, of course, I'm sure some of you who don't know Princey and want to know more about how old exactly is that photo?
2006.
How old were you then?
I'm 36 right now, so 14 years back, 22.
So that was a 22-year-old Princey who looks
Like 36.
So those who want to follow Princey's journey of being stronger, fitter, while they're happier, whatever, should check out more on her page.
Hi, this is Amrit, your creative, funny, insightful storyteller.
I make a lot of videos. I vlog about my life. I make short documentary films.
3-minute stories. Companies, non-profits, startups, schools, universities, they hire me to tell their stories or the stories of those they impact so that they can sell more, raise funds, attract people to work for them.
And then there's the second type of stories where I go find amazing individuals doing amazing things, and they don't hire me as such, but I tell their stories because their stories deserve to be told. In fact, you can help me fund those stories at patreon.com/whatsapp.
I come from an IIT business consulting background, but after a few years of corporate job, took a break to become a wedding photographer. I still shoot at weddings across India. There is something beautiful about creating art from weddings. There is something beautiful about creating art from anything.